Looking for reliable protection during power outages? The best sump pump backup battery ensures your home stays dry and safe when electricity fails. Stay prepared with a powerful, long-lasting backup solution designed to keep your sump pump running smoothly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR Sump Pump Backup Battery. The VEVOR Sump Pump Backup Battery Inverter stands out as a powerful and reliable solution for homeowners looking to safeguard their basements from flooding during power outages. With an impressive 2000 W output and an 18.2 A operating current, it can support 2 sump pumps simultaneously thanks to its dual outlets. This feature alone provides significant peace of mind for those living in flood-prone areas or regions with frequent storms. The automatic switching capability ensures that once the main power fails, the system instantly activates battery power, preventing any interruption to the sump pump's operation. What truly elevates the VEVOR system is its real-time monitoring through a high-definition LCD screen combined with LED indicators, allowing users to effortlessly keep track of vital parameters like voltage, power, and battery level. Installation is hassle-free due to the innovative quick plug 3-pin design, which minimizes wiring errors and enhances safety. The product also prioritizes security with comprehensive multi-layered protections, including safeguards against overload, short circuits, overcharging, overheating, and overvoltage. Another key advantage is its lightning-fast charging capability. The 28 charging current charges the 100 Ah battery in about 5 hours, significantly reducing downtime compared to traditional chargers. Overall, the VEVOR Sump Pump Backup Battery Inverter offers robust power, smart monitoring, and enhanced safety features, making it a trustworthy choice to keep your basement dry and your home protected during power failures. Number 2. VIOPUMPO Sump Pump Backup Battery. The VIOPUMPO 2500-watt sump pump backup battery system is designed to provide superior power and versatility in emergency backup scenarios. Delivering a strong 2500 W pure sine wave output with a 25 A operating current, it can support multiple sump pumps at once through its 3 AC outlets, making it ideal for larger homes or commercial use. The automatic switch to battery power during outages ensures continuous operation, preventing water damage even during severe weather events. A notable highlight of this system is its LCD remote control display, which provides clear, real-time information on voltage, power consumption, and battery status, giving users confidence in their backup power. The unit also includes several modern conveniences such as a 5V/3.1A USB port and a 30W Type-C port, allowing it to power or charge other devices simultaneously. Safety is paramount with built-in cooling and a self-recovery overload protector, along with protections against overheating, short circuits, low voltage, and overcharging. Another valuable feature is the adjustable input voltage function tailored for different battery types, including lithium batteries, which helps extend battery life and improve efficiency. Installation is straightforward with no need for additional wiring, and the system supports various mounting options for convenience. The VIOPUMPO backup battery is a robust, safe, and user-friendly choice for anyone seeking a dependable sump pump power backup solution. Number 3. OLTEANP Sump Pump Backup Battery. The OLTEANP Sump Pump Backup Battery System is purpose-built to protect basements from flooding by ensuring uninterrupted sump pump operation during power outages. It automatically switches to battery power when the main electricity supply fails and resumes charging when power returns, providing seamless protection in storms or hurricanes. With a powerful 2500 W output and a built-in 25A charger, it supports fast charging and is compatible with various deep cycle batteries, including lithium and AGM types, although non-deep cycle batteries are not recommended. This system features 3 AC outlets along with USB and Type-C ports, allowing it to power additional devices during emergencies, making it versatile for broader backup power needs. The included remote controller with an LCD screen offers convenient monitoring of battery and sump pump status, helping users stay informed. Safety measures include a built-in cooling system, overload protection, and multiple safeguards against overheating, short circuits, low voltage, and overcharging, which collectively enhance both safety and longevity of the device. Installation is designed to be simple and wire-free, requiring just the assembly of AC and DC cables. Multiple fixing options allow for flexible mounting, whether on a wall or flat surface. Overall, the OLTEANP backup battery system is a reliable and user-friendly choice for homeowners who need effective and continuous sump pump power backup to keep their basements dry. Number 4. OLTEANP 1500W Sump Pump Backup Battery. The OLTEANP 1500W Sump Pump Backup Battery offers a dependable and efficient solution to basement flooding concerns caused by power interruptions. Designed with the same protection focus as its higher wattage sibling, this 1500W model provides automatic switching to battery power when electricity fails, ensuring that sump pumps keep running smoothly during storms or heavy rains. It comes equipped with a built-in 25A battery charger that supports quick charging for a variety of deep-cycle batteries, such as lithium and AGM, while protecting the battery from overcharging to extend its service life. This system also includes 3 AC outlets, a USB charging port, and a Type-C port, making it a practical backup for other essential electronics during power loss. Monitoring is simple with an LCD screen on the remote controller, providing real-time updates on battery and pump status. The built-in cooling system and multiple protective features guard against overheating, short circuits, low voltage, and overcharging, making the unit safe and durable. Installation is user-friendly, requiring no complex wiring, just connecting the AC and DC cables. Flexible mounting options allow for wall or flat surface installation. The OLTEANP 1500W Sump Pump Backup Battery is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a reliable, easy-to-install backup system with sufficient power for typical residential sump pumps and added convenience for other devices. Number 5. Nvifco Sump Pump Backup Battery. The Nvifco Sump Pump Backup Battery System is engineered to provide critical power during outages, ensuring your sump pump operates uninterrupted and your basement remains protected from flooding caused by storms or hurricanes. With a peak inverter output of 3000 W and a continuous output of 1500 W, this pure sine wave inverter offers reliable and clean power, suitable not only for sump pumps, but also for various household and outdoor applications like RVs, lighting, and charging electronic devices. Its intelligent UPS mains priority feature automatically charges the battery when AC power is available and seamlessly switches to battery power within 9 milliseconds of a power failure, minimizing downtime. The aluminum alloy heat dissipation plate and intelligent cooling fan maintain optimal operating temperatures below 50 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating during extended use. Installation is straightforward, and the inverter's wide input voltage range and high-precision output ensure compatibility with different battery types and devices. The Nvifco backup battery system's versatility, combined with robust safety features and efficient power management, makes it a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable sump pump backup solution that also supports broader power needs in emergencies or outdoor scenarios. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.